Welcome to Brand New Vegan. This is Chuck, and today we are making some chili, some crock-pot chili. And it is so easy and so good, and you're going to love it. And this is brought to you by my friends at Hearst Ham Beans. Those little bags of 15 bean soup mix, that's what we're going to use, and it makes one of the most incredible chilies you've ever tasted. So here we go. We got some ingredients coming up. Got that little bag of 15 bean soup. You can find those at most grocery stores. We have some simple veggies, some garlic. The spice mix, I'll have all the ingredients in the recipe below. That's the chili powder I use, McCormick. People ask me that all the time. We got some veggie broth, some tomatoes, some tomato paste, and of course we've got our crock pot. So we're going to start by opening up that little bag of 15 bean soup. And we're going to dump our beans into a colander. We're going to take that little seasoning packet, set it aside for now. We're just going to pick through the beans, make sure there's no rocks or twigs or anything weird in there, and give them a good rinse. Into the crock pot they go. And go the onions, green bell pepper, red bell pepper. This is a jalapeno. You can leave this out if you'd like. And some garlic. Then, give that a quick stir. These are dried beans, by the way. No soaking required. We're going to take an entire carton of veg broth. I use the low sodium. In goes the veg broth, the entire carton. And then we're going to add about 3 cups of water. Pretty easy so far, huh? There's 2 cups. There's our 3rd cup. In goes the little seasoning packet from the bag of beans. In goes our own spices. Again, all the ingredients will be in the link below. Give all that a good stir. Put on the lid. Plug in your crock pot. Turn it on high and walk away. This is it. About 4 hours, 5 hours later, you come back. Give everything a stir. Make sure the beans are nice and soft. And I did a little test right there. It should be nice and soft. If they're a little bit crunchy, just let them cook a little bit longer. Now we can add our tomatoes and our tomato paste. If you add the tomatoes at the beginning of this, the acidity from the tomatoes will harden the beans and make them really tough, and they take forever to cook. So add your tomatoes last. Give that a good stir. Let it simmer for another hour. And then, only if you'd like, I use this masa, tamale flour, a tablespoon. It adds a nice thickening agent to the chili. You don't have to use it. A good pinch of salt or 2. Give everything a good stir. Let it simmer for another 5-10 minutes, and you've got crock-pot chili. It is so good. It's so easy, obviously. You just dump everything in the crock pot and turn it on, and there we go. Again, this was brought to you by my friends at Hearst Ham Beans. Hope you liked the video. Come by my website in the link below and see what other kinds of recipes I have, and I hope to see you soon. Again, this is Chuck, Brand New Vegan. Thanks for watching.